Avoiding clichés in imagery. Freshen up your writing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of creative writing: avoiding clichés and overused imagery. Using original and fresh imagery can elevate your writing and make it more captivating for your readers. Let's discover how you can create memorable images with your words. Remember, originality gives your writing a unique voice. Clichés are phrases or expressions that have been overused to the point where they've lost their original impact or novelty. They're like well-worn paths in a forest. While they might be comfortable, they don't offer anything new to explore. Examples: busy as a bee, blind as a bat, cry over spilled milk. Tip: if you've heard or read an expression countless times, it's probably a cliché. 1. Predictability. Clichés make your writing predictable. Your readers will be less engaged if they feel like they've read it all before. 2. Lack of originality. Relying on clichés suggests you're not putting in the effort to craft your own unique descriptions. 3. Weakens imagery. Fresh imagery captivates readers, making them feel, see, or experience something new. Clichés can dull this experience. 1. Awareness. First, be conscious of them. As you write or read, note any phrases that seem too familiar. 2. Ask yourself, can this image or description be fresher? Can I depict this in a new, novel way? 3. Experiment with new descriptions. For instance, instead of saying, "Her eyes sparkled like diamonds," you could say, "Her eyes caught the light," fracturing it into a prism of colors. Tip: always have a thesaurus handy. It's a writer's best friend. To avoid clichés, utilize sensory language. Dive into the 5 senses. 1. Sight. Describe colors, shapes, and sizes. 2. Sound. Capture the nuances of noises or silences. 3. Touch. Is it rough, silky, cold, warm? 4. Taste. Sweet, salty, bitter, or sour? 5. Smell. Fresh, pungent, floral, or musky? By tapping into these senses, you'll naturally craft richer, more vivid descriptions. Example: instead of "the pie was delicious," you might write, "The pie burst with the tangy sweetness of fresh berries, its flaky crust melting in the mouth." And there we have it. By steering clear of clichés and embracing fresh, sensory language, you're well on your way to making your writing more vibrant and memorable. We hope this video has illuminated new ways for you to enrich your creative writing. Until next time, keep those pens dancing and those imaginations soaring.